Hi, hello, welcome to InnoBids. Now we are going to see 10 essential website design trends to watch. Minimalist design. Minimalism continues to dominate web design, offering clean and simple layouts that improve both aesthetics and usability. By stripping away unnecessary elements, websites with minimal designs load faster and provide an intuitive user experience. A focus on simplicity not only enhances visual appeal but also ensures a streamlined navigation process. Dark mode. Dark mode has gained popularity across apps and websites, offering a sleek, modern look while reducing eye strain. Websites that offer a dark mode option provide users with a personalized experience, allowing them to choose the theme that suits their needs. This trend has proven to boost user engagement and improve battery life on mobile devices. Mobile-first design. With mobile internet usage continuing to surpass desktop, designing websites with a mobile-first approach is no longer optional. Prioritizing mobile responsiveness ensures that users have an optimal experience regardless of the device they use. This trend involves creating layouts that are adaptive, fast-loading, and easy to navigate on smaller screens. Interactive elements. Interactive elements, such as micro-interactions, hover effects, and animated buttons, help keep users engaged and create a more dynamic browsing experience. These elements, when used thoughtfully, can guide users through the website and encourage interaction. Custom illustrations and graphics. Custom illustrations and graphics add personality to websites and make them stand out. These unique visuals can be tailored to reflect a brand's identity and communicate messages in a more creative and memorable way. With a move towards authenticity in web design, custom illustrations have become a popular choice over stock images. AI-powered design tools. Artificial intelligence, AI, is revolutionizing web design. AI-powered tools now assist in automating tasks like layout generation, color selection, and even content personalization. These tools help designers create websites more efficiently while offering users highly tailored experiences. 3D and immersive design. 3D elements and immersive design techniques are gaining traction in website design. From animated 3D graphics to interactive virtual tours, these features create a more engaging experience that captures users' attention and keeps them on the site longer. Voice search optimization. As voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant become more prevalent, voice search optimization is becoming an essential component of web design. Websites must be structured to answer voice queries effectively, using natural language processing and conversational keywords. Inclusive and accessible design. Website accessibility ensures that all users, including those with disabilities, can easily navigate your site. Features such as alternative text for images, high-contrast color schemes, and keyboard navigation are becoming standard in modern web design. This trend is not only ethically important but is also required to meet legal standards in many countries. Split-screen layouts. Split-screen layouts divide the screen into two sections, allowing websites to feature two distinct pieces of content side by side. This approach can be used to showcase different products, services, or content categories, making the website more visually engaging and organized.